Welcome to the Ngobo Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. This is Ngobo Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Sibanye 2. My brother, how's it?
My brother, good morning. Born a Briscoe, Mamelodi Sundowns fan. You know what, man? There was a brother who was here, a Kaizer fan who was here.
Oh, yes, yeah.
It's my commander at work, it's my boss at work. Shinga, my dad.
Yeah.
He's a Kaizer fan.
Yeah.
And then you know what? I once told him that Kaizer Chiefs is no longer having a poison. Because of now, when you are wearing a Nike, and Nike is leaving you to sponsor one person in Limpopo, shave a shit, it means you have no power.
That means Shabashid has got power.
Yes. Shabashid is bigger than Kaizer Chiefs.
Is it?
Yes.
That's why you see Nike is selling in Limpopo because of Nike decided to leave Kaizer Chiefs to go to Limpopo. Okay, our guest today.
Those are the technicalities that we don't know.
Yeah. I'm researching. I'm an investigator.
What's your take on the game tonight?
You know, today we're playing against Stilfontein Miners. You know Stilfontein Miners?
Yeah.
Those people who are underground. Those people who...
The Zamas.
The Zamas.
Yeah.
Those people that you ask yourself, how do they survive under the ground for 9 months, 10 months? So we are not surprised when they score 2 goals. But with me scoring 5 goals and stuff, my team after Miguel Cardoso take over.
One north,
and then it's fine. We are going to win the CAF Champions League. That's how the CAF Champions League is won. You can't just win. Confidence. That's what happens. Hey, Maranan two certain. Ne, Rubina, how Chania, Margo, Cafe Arena. And then Chiefs, I'm a leveling yard.
It's almost Chiefs.
Yeah. Bono, Babatani, no, Zamasi, Kibafana Bataiga, Tego Escape, Rena, no, Retia this bank. This net bank rate. And then from Mo, Rebella Gopi, Arna pressure. Parents is playing good football. We appreciate because we want the challenge. We've been winning without challenge alone. Parents, we welcome you to come and beg up us and come on board. Kali 80, then change it. Now go give it up to 60. Nelona. Nagoma Pudisa Batena. The color the top, Nelona. I ain't so sick by it.
Let's color the top, my brother. Next one.